Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we will talk about the accident direct cost and indirect cost. Let's start. Direct cost and indirect cost. Direct costs are expenses that are directly attributable to a specific product, service, or project. These costs are typically easy to track and quantify. Examples of direct costs may include raw materials, labor costs, equipment rental, and shipping costs. Indirect costs, on the other hand, are expenses that are not directly attributable to a specific product, service, or project. These costs are often shared across multiple projects or services and may be more difficult to track and quantify. Examples of indirect costs may include rent, utilities, salaries of support staff, office supplies, and depreciation of equipment. In the context, the direct costs may include expenses related to medical treatment for injured employees, property damage repair or replacement costs, legal fees, and workers' compensation payouts. Indirect costs may include decreased productivity due to downtime and cleanup after the accident, loss of employee morale and motivation, and damage to the company's reputation. Here are some examples of direct costs that may be incurred after an accident at the workplace. Medical expenses for injured employee. Property damage repair or replacement cost. Legal fees and court cost. Investigation costs to determine the cause of the accident. Workers' compensation payouts to injured employee. Fines for safety violations by concerned authority. Loss of productivity due to downtime and cleanup after the accident. Cost of hiring temporary workers to cover for injured employees. Cost of retraining employees to prevent future accidents. Insurance premiums that may increase after an accident. Here are some examples of indirect costs that may be incurred after an accident at the workplace. Loss of productivity due to decreased morale and increased absenteeism. Decrease in employee retention due to fear or distrust of the workplace. Damage to the company's reputation. Difficulty in attracting new customers or investors. Loss of production or sales due to damage to equipment or facility. Loss of market share due to the disruption caused by the accident. Negative impact on employee engagement and motivation. Increased insurance premiums in the future. Time and cost of recruiting and training new employees. Lowered employee morale and motivation. It is important for organizations to consider both direct and indirect costs when developing risk management strategies and taking steps to prevent accidents in the workplace. By understanding the full impact of accidents, companies can take a more comprehensive approach to risk management and protect their employees, assets, and bottom line.